If you're pregnant and a C-section is either planned or even a maybe, here's the biggest thing I want you to know up front. Your recovery isn't automatically harder because it was unplanned. What changes the most is usually your mental prep and your first 24 hours, not your worth, not your strength, and not your ability to heal. If you're a first-time mom and you're trying to plan wisely without spiraling, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break this down into 3 simple parts. What's different about planned versus unplanned C-section, what stays the same in recovery, and how to prepare in a way that protects your peace no matter what route your birth takes. And stay with me because I'm going to give you one calm plan you can use right now, even if you don't know what your birth will look like yet. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse, and I'm here to help you heal physically, feel emotionally seen, and rebuild your strength during the 4th trimester. Now, you ready? Let's get into it. Part 1. What changes in a planned versus unplanned C-section? The biggest difference is usually the amount of time you have to shift your mindset. With a planned C-section, you often have time to ask questions, pack with purpose, talk through pain control, and feel mentally ready. You're still nervous, of course you are, but you usually walk in with a clearer picture of what's about to happen. With an unplanned C-section, the hardest part for many moms is the emotional whiplash. You went from "I'm laboring" to "we are changing plans." Even if it's not an emergency, it can feel abrupt. And when things move fast, moms can walk away thinking, "Did I miss something? Did I do something wrong?" That question alone can sit heavily. So if you've had an unplanned C-section or you're afraid of one, hear me. A change in plan is not a character flaw. It's a safety decision. Another thing that changes is the pace of the day. Planned usually feels more controlled. Unplanned can feel more intense simply because of the speed and the emotion of the shift. And one more thing that can change is your memory of the moment. Not because you did anything wrong, but because stress affects how your brain stores events. That's why I always tell moms, the goal isn't just a safe birth. The goal is a safe birth where you feel informed and respected. Part 2, what stays the same, no matter how your C-section happens. Now, let's talk about what doesn't change. First, it's still surgery. Planned or unplanned, your body is still healing from a major abdominal surgery. You still need pain control, gentle movement, rest, hydration, and support. Second, the first week at home still comes down to the same pillars: pain control, safe movement, incision protection, and support with newborn care. That's true whether you've had weeks to plan or you found out the day of. Third, your emotions still deserve attention. Some moms feel relief, some feel grief, some feel both at once, some feel numb. There is no correct emotional response. The only thing I don't want is for you to turn it into inward and label yourself as a failure. That's not the story here. Part 3, how to prepare without knowing your exact birth route. Now here's the part that helps you feel in control today. I want you to plan using 2 lanes, preferences and pivots. Preferences are what you want if things are steady. Pivots are what you want if the plan changes. For example, if a C-section becomes likely, your pivot questions are: can you tell me what you're seeing and what you recommend? Is this urgent, or do we have a few minutes to prepare? What happens next, step by step? Can you please explain as you go so decisions aren't happening around me? That right there is how you protect your peace, even in an unplanned situation. And here's another practical pivot that matters: bonding. If the baby's stable, you can still ask for skin-to-skin, photos, your partner staying close to you, and clear communication. You're not asking for perfection. You're asking to be included. Quick note, if a C-section is planned for you or it's even a possibility, and you want recovery laid out step by step so you're not piecing it together when you're tired and tender, my Strong Start C-Section Recovery Kit is linked below. It's the exact roadmap I'd want for my own family. Okay, let's go back to the calm plan. The calm plan you can use right now. Here's your simple mental reframe, and I want you to take this seriously. Planned C-section moms need preparation. Unplanned C-section moms need permission. Permission to say, this wasn't what I pictured. Permission to ask, can someone please explain this again? Permission to grieve, even while you're grateful. Permission to recover slowly and still be doing a great job. And either way, planned or unplanned, your recovery gets easier when you stop trying to prove something and start following a real plan. What I want you to remember, a planned C-section is not less real. An unplanned C-section is not less successful. And neither one mentioned your strength as a mother. A successful birth is a healthy mom and a healthy baby, and a mom who feels informed, supported, and respected. If this helped, subscribe. I'm going to keep this content clear and honest so you don't have to piece your postpartum plan together from random clips online. Here's to an empowered birth, one where you feel informed, supported, and respected. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.